Django. How to check if data is correct before saving it to a database on a POST request. I would like to be able to parse the data from a POST request in my Django REST API project by sending it to my function that will return true or false if the number is valid before saving it to the database, and if it's wrong, send a custom bad request message to the client that did the request. I've been told I can overwrite the create method to do this, but I'm not sure how to go about it. My code so far looks like this. So basically just would like some direction on how to solve this problem. Even helpful links would be appreciated. I did look on Stack Overflow but was not successful. Maybe I don't know how to phrase the question right when searching.
Model.save is an option, although it's more common to validate input data, like a phone number being posted, in the DRF serializer. Where to perform checks is a decision you can make based on the principle of separation of concerns.
Check the official documentation for how this is to be done, this URL. This method should be used to provide custom model validation and to modify attributes on your model if desired. For instance, you could use it to automatically provide a value for a field, or to do validation that requires access to more than a single field. Implement a clean method that will raise a validation error if it detects a problem with the data. You can then catch this in the view by calling model_obj.full_clean.
You can use DRF serializer's validation. For example, create a serializer and add a validation method naming validate_. Then add the validation code there and use it in the view.
You want to validate the fields before saving. There are quite a few techniques to do that. Using serializers. If you are using django-rest-framework, then you can easily use serializers for validating. This URL. Django model validation. This is by overriding some of the available methods in models class. This URL. For your scenario, I would suggest second option. Override the method clean_fields as in documentation. Then call the method just before saving.